Now let us see if I want only particular columns using a where clause. Very simple. So just use select column names. So you can specify the column name like this. So customer name. So I am using customer's name here. Put a comma and customer's name. Then if I want customer's last name, I cannot see last name. I can see customer's phone number. Let me take phone numbers and let me take city and country. So I can see only 4 columns now from your customers table, where your country is equal to USA. US. So now let me execute this. Let me put a colon here. Yeah, now let me execute this. Now you can see only 4 columns from the customers table where the country is only USA.